Which of the following cannot be inferred from the passage? Option A. Nobel Prizes should not be awarded only in fields which are exact sciences. The author in the passage says that Nobel Prizes are awarded in certain fields, but he does not comment on in which fields the Nobel Prize should or should not be awarded. And hence option A cannot be inferred from the passage. Option B. An exact science deal with facts or timeless truths. Let us look at the third paragraph of the passage. It says a Nobel Prize in economics implies that the human world operates much like the physical world. It creates the impression that economists are not in the business of constructing inherently imperfect theories, but of discovering timeless truths. In this paragraph, the author suggests that a Nobel Prize in economics makes people believe that economics is an exact science, and hence it makes people believe that it is in the business of discovering timeless truths. So from this comparison, we can infer option B. Option C. The long-term capital management was too big to be allowed to fail. Let us look at the second last or the penultimate sentence of the fourth paragraph. It says, a year later, long-term capital management lost $4.6 billion in less than 4 months. A bailout was required to avert the threat to the global financial system. So it means that if the fund or the hedge fund was not given a bailout, the losses coming from this hedge fund were so big that they could have created an economic crisis and would have been a threat to the global financial system. So option C can definitely be inferred that the long-term capital management was too big to be allowed to fail. Option D. Exact sciences are sometimes considered more valuable than social sciences. Let us look at the first paragraph, the last line. It says, yet on Monday, the glorification of economics as a scientific field, on a par with physics, chemistry, and medicine, will continue. This suggests that economics is glorified because it is considered an exact science, just like the other subjects like physics, chemistry, and medicine. The last line of the second paragraph also says, economics, this seems to say, is not a social science but an exact one that not only encourages hubris among economics but also changes the way we think about the economy. So the fact that economists consider economics to be an exact science and not a social science encourages hubris among economics. So definitely exact sciences are sometimes considered more valuable than social sciences. So the only option that cannot be inferred from the passage is option A, and that is the correct answer to this question.